Hello, I'm Robin and this is a very quick Synth East update for you. We are nearly completely sold out of almost everything. The Saturday Expo is sold out, the tape workshops on the Sunday are sold out, the Friday night film about Berlin and the interview with John Fox and Adam Buxton is very nearly sold out, just standing room only there. The Saturday night gig with Seafield, Lulu York and myself and Paulie Bow, that is almost very nearly sold out too. So if you're thinking of coming along, do place your ticket order now so that you won't be disappointed. We do, however, have room on the 2 DIY Modular workshops happening on the Sunday at the Electronic Sound magazine headquarters. It's a fantastic opportunity to build a module, a little synthesizer or other under the guidance, the expertise of Thonk.co.uk, who do a lot of kits and do the best kits throughout the UK. So if you've ever wondered what it's like to get your hands dirty behind a module, to solder something together and to bring forth the power of music from electronics, then do come and check out one of our DIY workshops. You need to go and buy a ticket on the Norwich Arts Centre website and then choose which kit you would like to build. There's only a few spaces left. We'd really like to fill that up if possible. So if you've ever considered giving that a go, do go and have a look. Otherwise, it's nearly there. It's nearly time. I'm preparing my rig, which is going to be a disaster. No, it's going to be fantastic. I have every confidence that it's going to be brilliant. Can't wait to get to it. Can't wait to see you there. It's going to be a lot of fun. And in the meantime, go and make some tunes.